Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan kami dari kelompok 17. Di sini kami akan mempresentasikan medical instrument. Next. Kemudian anggotanya sendiri, yang pertama ada Anggara Kidung Pranata, NIM 07. Kemudian ada Via Dwi Alfiana, NIM 44. Yasmin Alia Marwa, NIM 53. Dea April Haniatul Husna, NIM 78. Kemudian saya sendiri, Nela Bejati Amalia, NIM 82. Next. Baik, di sini kami akan membahas 5 alat yang biasa digunakan di rumah sakit beserta fungsi-fungsinya. Yang pertama ada glukometer yang akan dibahas oleh Anggara. Kemudian ada nebulizer yang akan dibahas oleh dia. Kemudian ada stetoskop yang akan dibahas oleh saya sendiri. EKG recording dan monitor yang akan dibahas oleh Yasmin. Dan yang terakhir ada tensimeter yang akan dibahas oleh Via. Next. Baik, silahkan Anggara.
Baik, glukometer atau glukometer is a medical device used to determine the approximate level of glucose in the blood. It is used for monitoring at home and in the hospital. Patients obtain a small drop of blood using a fingertip sensing device. Blood is placed in the disposable strip and in less than 20 seconds on average. A reading is given. Most meters are approximately the size of the palm and hand.
Baik, selanjutnya akan dipresentasikan oleh Dea.
Yes, nebulizer drug delivery device used to administer medication in the form of a mist inhaled into the lung. Nebulizers are commonly used for the treatment of asthma, cystic fibrosis, and other respiratory disease or disorder. The use oxygen, compressed air, or ultrasonic power to break up solution and suspension into small aerosol droplets that are inhaled from the multi-pitch of the device.
Baik, selanjutnya stetoskop yang akan dipresentasikan oleh saya sendiri. This tool service to exculpate or examine the sound and sound in a person organ, lung sound, heart sound, abdominal or abdominal sound, bowel movement, and others. With this tool, the sound or sound will be heard, and if there is an abnormal sound, will be a diagnosis of a disease from the translation of sound using this tool. Next. Selanjutnya akan dipresentasikan oleh Yasmin.
An electrocardiogram measures patients' heart electrical activity. This non-invasive test can measure many aspects. Electrocardiogram can show if your heart is beating at a normal rate and strength. It also helps show the size and positions of your heart chamber. An abnormal electrocardiogram can be a sign of heart disease or damage.
Selanjutnya akan dipresentasikan oleh Via.
Sphygmomanometer, also known as blood pressure monitor or blood pressure lead, is a device used to measure composed of an inflatable cuff to collapse and then release the artery under the cuff in a controlled manner, and another manometer to measure the pressure. Manual sphygmomanometer are used with a stethoscope when using the auscultatory technique.
Baik, itu presentasi dari PPT kami yang pertama. Kemudian kami akan lanjutkan untuk PPT yang kedua. Baik, di sini pada PPT kedua, yaitu membahas tentang hospital room. Next. dengan anggotanya masih tetap. Nah, next. Baik, di sini kami akan membahas 5 ruangan yang biasanya ada di rumah sakit. Yang pertama ada ICU room yang akan dibahas oleh Anggara, kemudian ada nurses station yang akan dibahas oleh dia, lalu ada PICU yang akan dibahas oleh saya sendiri, lalu ada emergency room yang akan dibahas oleh Yasmin, dan yang terakhir ada operation room yang akan dibahas oleh Via. Next. Yang pertama, silakan Anggara.
Ya, ICU atau Intensive Care Unit. Cater to patient with the serve or life-threatening illness and injury will require constant care, close supervision from life support equipment and medical in order to ensure normal bodily function. They are staffed by high-trained physical and nurse and respiratory therapists who specialize in caring for critical patients.
Baik, selanjutnya yang kedua akan dipresentasikan oleh Dea.
Nurse station. A nurse station is an area of healthcare facility, such as a hospital ward or nursing home, which nurse and other healthcare staff work behind when not working directly with patient, and where they can perform some of their duties. The station has a counter that can be approached by visitor and patient who wish to receive attention from nurse. Stored behind the table are material for which access is limited to healthcare staff, such as patient file, medicine, and curtain type of equipment.
Baik, yang ketiga akan saya presentasikan PICU atau Pediatry Intensive Care Unit. PICU is intended for infants who are not taken in NICU and children up to the age of 18 years of this depending on hospital policy. In general, PICU is a traditional service from children to adulthood. In some cases, the age limit of children is blurred in patients with special needs or chronic disease who need treatment in the field of children, even though in their 20 years. One example is patient with a congenital heart defect who was recently operated on as an adult. Some doctors don't mean that patient being sent to PICU after surgery. But some cases to go to adult intensive care facilities. Baik, selanjutnya yang keempat akan dipresentasikan oleh Yasmin.
Emergency room. An emergency room or emergency department is a medical treatment facility that provides immediate treatment for acute illness and trauma. Most major public hospital emergency rooms are open 24 hours a day and have highly trained doctors and other health professionals on site to deal with emergencies. They assess, treat, stabilize, and start the health management of people who have come to the emergency room with a serious illness or injury.
Baik, yang terakhir akan dipresentasikan oleh Via.
Operation room. An operation theater, also known as an operation room, operation suite, and operation suite is a facility within a hospital where surgical operations are carried out in a aseptic environment. operating room are generally windowless and feature control temperature and humidity. Special air handlers filter and the air and maintain a strictly elevated pressure. Electricity support has backup system in case of a blackout. Rooms are supplied with wall suction, oxygen, and possibly other anesthetic gas. Key equipment consists of the operation table and the anesthetic car. Here.
Baik, cukup sekian presentasi dari kami, kelompok 17. Kurang lebihnya kami mohon maaf. Jazakumullah khairan kasiron. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.